Next problem. A square prism having base 30 mm and axis 50 mm long has its axis inclined at 45 degree to HP and has an edge of its base on HP and inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw the projections. So first to draw XY line. Here our solid is square prism, means base is square, top is square, and there are rectangle lateral surfaces. So first you put your solid on HP and draw the top view, which is 30 mm long. Now ABCD is top view of base and PQRS top view of top square surfaces. Now draw front view by taking length of axis 50 mm, okay, and front view by projecting vertical projection line. Put name of the base A dash B dash C dash D dash, front view P dash Q dash R dash S dash. Now we want the axis inclined 45 degree to HP. So here this axis is perpendicular to HP. So we have to redraw this figure, this front view, in such a way that the axis makes an angle 45 degree to HP. So if axis is inclined 45 degree, base must be inclined 45 degrees. So you start from base A dash D dash by keeping one edge C dash D dash in HP. This is base and this is axis, and draw this rectangle front view here in such a way that this length must be A dash D dash. This angle is 45 degree. This is the midpoint of this line, and insert all A dash B dash and P dash Q dash R dash S dash. This is front view and axis inclined 45 degree. Now what is top view? By taking vertical projection line and horizontal projection line, the intersection points A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. Now border line always full. Now from top view PQ line is visible, so PQ visible, and from top view CD line is hidden, so it is represented by dashed line, and this is axis. Now we want the edge of base on HP and incline 30 degree to VP. So this top view is again draw here by taking CD line may be inclined 30 degree with XY. So first of all draw one horizontal 30 degree line and first you put CD on this line and redraw this view here. The size of both the drawing must be same. So put PQRS, ABCD and top. Now when you extend vertical and horizontal line and intersection points A dash A dash B dash C dash D dash and P dash Q dash R dash S dash. Now this is square prism, so total there are 12 lines. First of all draw the outer lines, then base A dash B dash B dash C dash C dash D dash and D dash E dash must be full line because the base moves towards observer. When you draw this figure, what happens? CD is 30 degree inclined to VP. So when we draw this means top view in which base moves towards observer. So base is always visible. Now the one line is B dash Q dash. Now when base is visible, top is always hidden. So the remaining line in top P dash S dash and R dash S dash must be dashed line. Okay. Now one edge of face S dash D dash is also hidden. So this is final front and top view of required conditions of the square prism. Now one last problem regarding solid cone. A cone of 30 mm diameter and 40 mm axis is resting on one of its generator on HP. The top view of axis is inclined at 30 degree with VP. Draw its projections. So first of all, draw an XY line. Now first position of the cone is resting on HP on its base. The top view circle of 30 mm diameter. Divide the circle into 8 number of equal parts. Insert the name of the point on the periphery. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the top view of axis is point OK is axis. Draw the front view by taking vertical projection line on vertical plane. The front view of A is A dash, front view of E is E dash, and for remaining all. Now this is front view of only base circular plane. But where is apex? Apex is 40 mm above the base. So take 40 mm vertical line, and this point is apex O dash. Now draw O dash A dash and O dash E dash the extreme generator, and remaining generators O dash B dash C dash D dash E dash F dash G dash and H dash. Now we want a cone is resting on its generator in H. So this is generator O dash C dash. Now put O dash A dash in HP and redraw this figure here, or copy paste this figure here, in which O dash and E dash must be in XY line, means in H. So insert all lines and points to a generator. So this is front view and generator is in H. So draw the top view by taking vertical projection line, horizontal projection lines. Insert all points. Now first of all, you have to draw a top view of circle, but here the circle is inclined to HP, so the top view of the circle looks ellipse. So you have to trace all point of the base, and from apex O you have to draw extreme generator which must be tangent to this curve for remaining all generators. Here the top view of the axis is inclined 30 degree. So here OK, this line is known as top view of axis. So at present it is parallel to vertical plane, but we want 30 degree to VP. So here redraw this figure top view again, in which the top view of axis must be 30 degree inclined to VP. So draw one line parallel to XY at any distance and draw 30 degree inclined to this horizontal line, means this line is inclined 30 degree to VP. Now copy paste this figure at here in such a way that your OK line lies on this line. So put first OK, and by using arc method or box method, draw again this view here. So what is different between these two top view? In this top view of axis is parallel to VP, but here top view of axis is inclined 30 degree to VP. Now what is front view? Take vertical and horizontal lines, insert all points. First of all, you have to draw base, front view of a base, which is visible because your base is moves towards the observer here, and draw the extreme generator. So this is our final front view and top view of for this example. Thank you very much for watching this video.